This presentation is for EDLP 705 and is being presented by Katelyn Hruby. The issue this presentation will deal with is protecting the privacy of student education records. In School District X, an assistant principal was demoted from her position with a district high school after sharing via multiple emails student information with her significant other who was not employed by the district. These emails, totaling 3, included one which was making fun of a coworker who had included in a prior email a host of grammatical errors. The other 2 emails were sent to her fiancé after a spat with a parent of a student. The email chain had turned nasty and included student educational record information. These emails were then sent to her fiancé complaining about the spat. The disclosure of this information was in violation of a law called the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, also known as FERPA. FERPA is a federal law that governs the release and protection of student education records. The law mandates 1. Schools must allow parents and guardians to inspect their children's education records and to challenge the contents of these records. 2. Schools must guard education records from inspection by others unless A. the student's parent or guardian consents to the disclosure, or B. the request is within one of the statutory exceptions to the consent requirement, and 3. schools must notify parents annually of their rights under FERPA. According to the National Center for Education Statistics, education records include a range of information about a student that is maintained in schools in any recorded way, such as handwriting, print, computer media, video or audio tape, film, microfiche, and microfilm. This information can include grades, but also any other educational materials produced by or pertaining to a student. Because the parents had not consented to the release of this information included in the emails, both the district and the assistant principal, as well as her attorneys, conceded that she had violated FERPA. The district also contended that she had violated the district's technology usage policy, which prohibits employees from using district technology for purposes unrelated to their employment with the district. Because the district had not provided, one of the main issues cited in this case, which gave rise to the legal dispute, was the fact that the district did not provide any training pertaining to FERPA to faculty, staff, and other employees. The district merely required that employees sign a form every year stating their legal burden under FERPA. To address this issue, the following steps may be implemented. Step 1. Provide information to district personnel, particularly faculty and staff with access to student educational records, specifically defining and explaining what student information must be kept protected under the law, as well as under what conditions it may be released. Step 2. Implement an email protocol that requires faculty and staff to review emails prior to sending to ensure no student education record is being sent to anyone other than a legal parent or guardian in accordance with the law. This could include developing a reminder prompt that appears after pressing send, asking the sender to review and press a finalize button to complete sending the email. Step 3. Provide training and host a district-wide information and discussion session with faculty, staff, and administrators and legal personnel to address and answer any questions or concerns employees have with the legal mandates and the burdens imposed thereby. Step 4. Create and/or disseminate a disciplinary protocol for those who are found to be in violation of the legal mandates of FERPA and other student privacy laws. The legal resources used for this presentation were the section of the U.S. Code of Federal Laws. The legal resources used for this presentation were the part of the U.S. The legal resources used for this presentation were the part of the United States Code of Laws that includes FERPA, 20 U.S. Code Section 1232G, and the part of the Code of Federal Regulations that includes the FERPA regulations, 34 CFR Part 99. The end.